Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Virtualbox 7. X plus the extension pack, host GPU drivers and hardware virtualization enabled. Next, create the VM and pick the display/PCI pass-through option that fits your GPU. This decides how the VM will see hardware. Once done, allocate CPU and at least 2 GB of video memory and attach an ISO. Make sure to save the VM state. These first actions unlock the capability to forward GPU resources to the guest. Now you configure GPU access for the guest. If your host supports IMU, bind the GPU to vFIO PCI and add the PCI device to the VM. That gives near-native performance. Alternatively, enable VMSVGA with 3D acceleration and install guest editions for OpenGL/Direct 3D support. This is simpler but slower. Once configured, increase RAM and enable 3D acceleration in settings so the guest drivers can initialize properly, and applications finish by installing the correct GPU drivers inside the guest and then guest additions. This ensures the guest uses the hardware or accelerated stack. Run a simple benchmark or graphics app to validate rendering and performance, monitor logs and temperatures. If things go wrong, check IMU group isolation, kernel demask output, and that the host hasn't claimed the GPU. One key troubleshooting tip: rebind the GPU to vFIO or unbind host drivers and retry, because driver ownership is the most common blocker.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.